Hey, what's going on, guys? Robbie Blanchard here, and you may or may not know, but I am the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. And what that means is I've generated more affiliate commissions than anybody else on the planet on the ClickBank platform. Now, that may sound crazy, and it is crazy. It's still, when I think about it, it just doesn't make sense because, you know what, just 5 years ago, I was just a personal trainer owning a gym, just trying to get by and just trying to make things happen. And that's, it was literally not that long ago. I mean, 5 years is nothing, right? But here I am now, generating thousands of dollars each and every day through ClickBank using Facebook ads. And now, so guys, I want to tell you a little bit about my story just to show you that I'm not something, a special unicorn. I'm not somebody that was able to have a marketing spoon in my mouth when I was born. I'm not like anything crazy. I'm not a Gary Vaynerchuk or Grant Cardone or anything like that, or a Frank Kern. I'm just a regular guy who figured out a 3-step method for making money with ClickBank on Facebook. That's all I've done, guys. So I started as a personal trainer. Okay, I went to school for exercise and sports science. I became a personal trainer, worked my way up to becoming a gym owner, but I knew that I wanted to do more. I knew I wanted to be more successful. As a gym owner, I was doing fine, but I knew I wanted to take things to the next level. I wanted to be able to travel, spend more time with my friends and family, take a trip to Brazil with my girlfriend if I wanted to, and I wasn't able to do that with just being a gym owner. So that's when I jumped into ClickBank, and so ClickBank's been amazing. So ClickBank is a marketing platform where you can promote other people's products and make big commission. And by big commission, I mean 75% to 100% commission, which is crazy. I mean, what other industry can you promote somebody else's product and get 75% commission? There's no other way to do that. All right, and that's why I love this model. I love this method. And so I've been able to do that. And I've been able to generate thousands of dollars each and every day. And I don't have to have an email list. I don't have to have my own product. I don't have to have a Shopify store or an e-commerce store. I don't have to deal with customer service. All I have to do is just run some simple Facebook ads that take me maybe an hour or two a day to do, and then I make commissions each and every day, and I'm able to spend time traveling with my friends and family, going on that trip to Brazil like I just went on, and just have the freedom that I wasn't able to have before. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, guys, then this year I've made it my mission to help out over 1,000 people do the same thing that I've done over the last 5 years, from going from that regular job, whether a gym owner like I was, or if you were a 9-to-5 person, or if you have a regular job, or just an employee somewhere, and you want to take it to the next level where you're able to have more freedom, hop online, make commissions each and every day, whether you're sleeping or whether you're at work or whether you're doing anything, then if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, I would love to invite you to my free training, which is taking place today, just by clicking that link on the description to register. And on that free training, guys, I'm going to tell you about my story. I'm going to tell you about how I was able to go from just being that struggling trainer to now being the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can have the same type of success promoting ClickBank offers on Facebook. So make sure you register for that training by clicking that link in the description below, and I can't wait to see you on the free training. We're gonna help you out, and I guarantee you it's gonna change your life.